In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're running an online store, offering services, or selling digital products, having a smooth checkout process is key to converting visitors into paying customers. Let's dive right in and make your Squarespace website ready to accept payments and manage orders seamlessly. First things first, let's head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Give that a click. Squarespace offers various options to log in, but for simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to quickly access your account using your Google credentials, so go ahead and select your account to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website dashboard. You can get there by clicking on your website's name or thumbnail. Now, moving forward, you'll want to jump into the backend settings of your site to adjust the e-commerce options. Look for a link or an icon that directs you to Settings. This is where the magic begins. Inside the Settings menu, you're looking for an option labeled Selling. This is Squarespace's centralized hub for all things commerce. Clicking on Selling will open up a range of options, but the one we're interested in today is Checkout. This is where you can fine-tune how customers will complete purchases on your site. Now here's where you can really customize the checkout experience to match your business needs. Squarespace offers an option called Additional Fields within the checkout settings. Click on it to view more options. This feature is incredibly useful for gathering extra information from your customers during the checkout process. Anything from gift messages to special delivery instructions. One of the golden features within these settings is the Enable Custom Checkout Form. After finding and clicking on this, you're unlocking a powerful tool that allows you to tailor the checkout process even further. This can include anything from survey questions to specific customer preferences related to your products or services. And finally, the most crucial step, don't forget to click Save to apply all the changes you've made. It might seem like a small step, but it's essential for making sure your new checkout settings go live on your website. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up checkout on Squarespace. Remember, the objective is to create a checkout process that's not just functional, but also matches your business's needs and enhances the customer experience. With these tools and options, Squarespace gives you the flexibility to do just that. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're just getting started with Squarespace or looking to improve your existing site, these steps will ensure your checkout process is optimized for success. Happy selling!